Hello student, take 2 seconds and please subscribe my channel. All the best, God bless you. Here very important ionic equilibrium question. pH of which salt solution is independent of its concentration? Here I have given some Na2HPO4, Na2HPO4, NH4CN, CH3CO, C5H5NH and all of above. So these we discuss over here. The salt of formed from weak acid and weak base, first condition should be there. Salt of weak acid and weak base. Second, when the salt is amphiprotic. Amphiprotic means it can donate electron or it can proton or it can accept proton. For example, here first we discuss the salt is formed from weak acid and weak base. NH4CN salt is formed from the weak acid HCN and strong weak base NH4OH. So this will follow the category, so it will be independent of the concentration. Second, CH3COO C5H5NH formed from weak acid CH3COH and weak base C5H5N. So of course it is showing pH is determined by the relative strength of the acid in this case. So it is also independent of the concentration. pH is independent of the concentration. So two are correct. Now amphiprotic salts, amphiprotic means they can accept proton or they can donate proton. So for example, Na2HPO4. What is Na2HPO4? Name of this, sodium dihydrogen phosphate. So H2H here replaceable, so it is acid salt, so it can accept proton or it can donate proton. Now Na2HPO4, this is disodium hydrogen phosphate. This is also acid salt. This is acid salt and this is acid salt. So both of them amphoteric in nature. That is why they amphiprotic, we can say amphiprotic. Amphiprotic I have to write. Protic. Okay, amphiprotic. Accept and donate protons. So that is why they can act both acid and base in solution, donating or accepting protons. So this pH is determined by their equilibrium with water and is less affected by concentration. So it is also correct. Means both of them are pH is independent of the concentration. So option here we will see Na2HPO4. Yes, it is independent of concentration. Na2HPO4 acid salt, it is also independent. pH is independent of concentration. NH4CN weak acid weak base salt, so it is also independent of concentration. Same here, it is independent of concentration. pH is independent of concentration. So all of these are correct. Okay, so in this way we have to see. Remember, weak acid weak base, amphiprotic. Okay, amphiprotic means acid salt, so they are pH is independent